Hello, so my article title is Divergence, History of the Rufous-tailed Tailorbird Autonomous Series of Sundaland, Implications for the Biogeography of Palawan and the General Taxonomy of Island Species in general. So this is the taxonomy of the species studied, and the species studied is Rufous-tailed Tailorbird, which is Autonomous Series, and there are 3 subspecies under it. So where does this species found? They are found in Western Sundaland, Natuna Islands, Borneo, Palawan, and smaller islands of the Sunda continental shelf east of Borneo. So the problems found in this article are the 2 subspecies of Rufous-tailed tailorbird, which are O.S. hesperius and O.S. sericius, comprising populations on the Malay Peninsula, Sumatra, Borneo, and Palawan. So they have little morphological difference among the 2 species, and also no substantial genetic differences between the Borneo and Western Sunda populations. And thirdly is they have marked genetic divergence between Palawan and other populations. So this is Sundaland, and this is the distribution patterns of the Rufous-tailed tailorbird. And in this area, there are no substantial genetic differences as stated in the problem, and in this area, there are marked genetic divergence. So, why does this happen? It occurs due to the Sunda shelf was exposed as land numerous times. So this is, the gray area is Sunda shelf, and also this causes them to connect, and Bornean and Western Sunda populations interbred, whereas the Bornean and Palawan populations did not. Palawan was also initially a continental fragment that broke off southern China and drifted to hit Sunda shelf. And Palawan also acted as an arc to transport vertebrates and other organisms to the oceanic Philippines, as well as Sundaland and even Sulawesi. So the processes involved in this article are the continental drift of Palawan and also the glacial eustatic sea level lowering. So when does this happen? It happened during the Pliocene and Pleistocene era, and also during Quaternary glacial eustatic land connections. So the evidences of these events are Palawan was initially part of China, and also Palawan has not been firmly connected to Sundaland as a result of sea level lowering. This is due to the sea level did not fall below 125 meters when Palawan is separated from Borneo by a 140-meter channel. So they have been isolated by a narrow water barrier. And also the 2 tailorbird populations of Borneo and Palawan have genetic distance of 1.7%. That's all. Thank you.